What's up guys? Special video today because as you see here, we got this big Sikky box on the table. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up for you guys. And tape. Okay. Here we go. Oh my God, there's so many boxes in here. I don't know. Yeah, we have some mystery boxes to open now. Oh, check this out. Oh man, dude, they sent me a hoodie. That's dope. Hold on. Stickers. Shirt. More stickers. So we're just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna start opening some of these other packages because yeah, we're gonna see what's in here. So I'm just gonna start with the main event, which is the Sikky oil pan. All right, look at that. So got the gasket there. Here's the pickup right there. And then, behold, look at this oil pan. Holy shit. Oh, look at that. You see that underneath the pan right here? This is sick. No pun intended. All right, this box is unlabeled. This little one is, this one isn't, so.
Is it what I think it is?
I think this might be what we think it is. It is unlabeled though, so we will find out. They said they were gonna hook me up with a little present, so we'll see. This is what you think it is. Look at this handbrake. Oh, let me just open it, because this one's sick. All right, so we have, oh my God, hold on. Look at the cylinder on this thing. We have the Sikky handbrake here. This is dual caliper. Look at this thing. Absolutely gorgeous handbrake. Love it. So, also the link to all this stuff will be in the description. If any of you guys are thinking about going V8 or you already have a V8 project going on, definitely check out Sikky. They have basically everything you need if you're doing V8 stuff to a 240. So here is the last box. It is labeled as Oil Filter Relocation Kit. Check this out. Oil filter. Look at these lines. So, there we go. We got this full Sikky unboxing here. So, huge shout out to the dudes at Sikky for hooking me up with all this stuff. In this video today, we're also gonna go ahead and install it and get the engine in the car. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hoist this bad bitch up. I'm gonna take the engine cradle off, wheel it outside, and then spray like the side of the block and stuff with degreaser before I put the pan on. So we just got some basic AutoZone engine degreaser. I'm not gonna really focus on the heads too much because I don't really want to get stuff in there. I'm just gonna try and clean the block up, maybe the front, like underneath the accessories. I'm not even gonna worry too much about back here, but I just want a nice surface down here for the pan to go onto. Now that it's all foamed up, well, I actually sprayed a second layer of foam on there. I sprayed one layer of foam on there, let it all seep off. This is the second layer. As you can see, it's working. You got the foam starting to turn, you know, engine grease color and drip off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it with some original. This is the non-foaming kind. Hopefully it'll just blast the rest of it off. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. The block's getting nice and shiny.
I can't believe you bought a V8.
Hey, dude, it was affordable, man. I'm not gonna lie, I would have gone Jay-Z if it was affordable. But that's what you're here for. You're gonna be the Jay-Z guy. We'll have diversity on the channel. All right, so I'm gonna just spray this down one more time with the rest of the foamy engine degreaser, and then I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna just pressure wash it, get all the crud off of there. Put it on this box.
You know how like on the bottom of the manifold they have like NPC?
All right, so in addition to the Sikky oil pan, this engine previously had a quartermaster bell housing on it. So after I switch the pan out, we're gonna go ahead and get this quartermaster bell housing onto the engine. Old gross stock oil pan off.
Honestly, do you ever use it?
No, he never. He literally only put this on there so that we could transport it without crap getting inside the engine, inside the trailer. So now we get to put this. Look at how clean that is. You see that?
Yeah.
Usually this would be all brown and gross and crusty, but this was well cared for. So we just had to basically remove the old oil pan gasket from the engine because we have a new one, and every time you pull the pan you should do that anyway. So I have a razor blade right here. I'm just gonna go around, make sure there's no crud on there. Like right here there's some stuff, just kind of scrape it off and just make sure the surface is ready to be mated again with the new oil pan. All right, right now I'm just getting the oil pickup bolted in, super simple, and then we could go ahead and install the pan.
Not sponsor.
So Caleb knows the tricks, the tips and tricks to get in these oil pan gaskets aftermarket to seat correctly.
I only know because mine leaks and I made a mistake. I didn't do
He
this.
had to do it, yeah.
I should have.
So you explain then.
On a LS, the front and rear cover, the mains, meet the pan. And right where those meet, you want to put a little bit of silicone or else you'll leak oil. So you can do just the corners, but with the way the LSs are, how they leak always, it's good to, I think, put a little bit extra on there. So we'll do the corners. We'll do here, and probably just run a nice little bead across, and then over there also, and same on this side.
So you don't need it straight up and down the sides. You don't need it straight up and down. It's only just where the rear where the rear and front cover meet. Because it's a little bit different. It's not as flush. It's not going to be exactly flush with the block. So just a little bit. All right, let's just put some on your finger.
I put it in your butthole.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Spread that out.
What's the thickness that this should be at?
A little bit thicker right there.
Thicker?
Oh, just on that corner. You want one more.
Like literally on the corner.
Yeah, just that whole like 90 degree. All right, now run a nice little bead across it. That one doesn't have to be thick. And then right behind that seal, just kind of glob it up there. Kind of fill. I would just fill this whole area. Yeah. I'm gonna film for a second.
Okay, that's on there.
No, you're good, dog.
Just fucking
yeah,
stick
put
it
that
up.
in here. I'll help you.
Yeah, I need just.
Where's the nuts at?
Right here. I left them in order from front of the engine to the back.
Hand me
You want these?
Yeah. Hand me a few.
Who on the pickup?
Oh, dude, the RTV looks so good too. It looks just right.
Perfect. All right, so now I'm torquing the pan on. These call for 18 foot-pounds, and there is a torque sequence, so I'm just basically following it straight off of an LS forum. So right now we're installing the bell housing. Here's the throwout bearing, just kind of sits right there. This has an internal slave, and then line it up. Yeah, line it up with these dowels right here.
You got yours?
Yep.
Just put one on, just like that.
Sweet. All right, so here we have the Tex Racing T101 dog box. We're gonna go ahead and mount the dog box up to the quartermaster bell housing, and then just basically see how it fits. If it's all good to go, then it will go into the car. You got that?
Yeah.
Spin it like left to right. There we go.
Oh.
Yeah, put a bolt in. Hurry up.
Bolt, bolt.
Hurry up, hurry up! Hey, Coast.
That shit looks fire.
Hell yeah, it looks fire. Engine mounts going on. It's pretty self-explanatory. They're just engine mounts. Let's kind of get this on the side here. Look at how easy this is. Just two. It's like a computer. Like that. All right, so we've gotten to the point where this all needs to go into here. So it's exactly what we're gonna do. Alright, so we're running into an issue right now where the engine hoist, we can't push it any more forward. And come here, look. So this right here needs to be here. So it needs to move forward like 6 inches. So we gotta jack the car up, push the jack stands back, and then push the whole thing forward. Yep, no, you gotta give it more first. Done,
Dude,
got
that's
it.
what I thought about doing, but then I was like, if I'm gonna buy coilovers, I'm probably gonna buy stands. So.
Stance, boy.
All right, and the moment we've all been waiting for. There it is, dude. V8 in the car. Got that beautiful, beautiful Sikky oil pan on there. That's really it for today, guys. If you're wondering about these work shirts, I'll have a link for them in the description. You can pick one up, grab 2 entries at the same time for the Drift Starter Pack giveaway. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.